Happy birthday, Erin! She's an old lady.
I'm 41 years young today.
Wait. Crazy. But we're starting off our morning celebrating the RV. Our bestie Christina is here to visit, and we're gonna make some breakfast. Woo! Guess who's making breakfast?
This guy.
It's her birthday, she's still cooking.
But I love my own food, so.
Alright, let's pop that champagne.
Woo!
We are Kim and Erin, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us. RVTV. We got some champagne.
I love to celebrate with champagne, so let's see if we get a good look, a good birthday pop.
It's cheap champagne.
Yeah, Aldi for $4.99, baby.
Ballers on a budget.
Aldi sponsor us.
Come on, pop this bottle.
I'm scared.
That was great. Oh, there we go.
That was a delayed reaction. Cheers, everybody.
Happy birthday.
It's my own bottle, so I can sip from the.
Really? Since your birthday, you can do what you want. Cheers. Say happy birthday to Mama. Did you? You did say happy birthday. You gave a birthday kisses like a boys. We got some decorations going in here.
Which I love. They surprised me with my decorations.
Yeah, she left and went out. And she came back. And everything was decorated. So what are you making for breakfast?
We're gonna do some omelets, some sausage, some bacon, some biscuits, maybe some hash browns. We're going all out.
We're going all out for your birthday?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna get the Blackstone out. I'm gonna do some cooking outside.
It's a beautiful day. It's not freezing. It's not super windy. It's
hot.
hot.
It's hot.
So
it's gonna be 80 degrees today, like the hottest day we've had so far this year.
We said our friend Cody. Okay, baby. Our friend who's visiting us, our bestie from Florida. So Kim said she brought the heat.
Christina brought the heat from South Florida with her. So Erin just made bacon. Ooh, look at all that bacon grease.
That's what we're gonna cook everything in that.
Ooh. Say hi, Christina. Thanks for bringing this hot weather.
Happy birthday, Erin. Thanks for
Erin's always the hostess with the mostest, even on her birthday.
That's how I show my love.
No, the real reason why is because she doesn't want to eat our cooking. She knows that her cooking tastes better, so she'd rather just do it herself.
True story.
I gotta show you the baby birds. So if you watched our last home vlog, I showed you the mama bird, and she had her babies. I don't know if you could see them. Do you see them in there?
Oh my god.
I come and talk to her multiple times a day. I'm still not sure she's comfortable with me, but we have a rapport. But they're so cute. You see the little baby head? And then there's the one next to it. Hi, Mama. Yeah, babies are cute. You're doing a great job.
I still wish you were just filming me inside.
What happened?
So we're gonna attempt to make biscuits on the Blackstone.
Biscuits?
I've seen some ways of doing it, so we're gonna give it a try today. But I was just ripping, if you're familiar with biscuits, like the Pillsbury biscuits, I was ripping the paper off and it just exploded.
Like really?
4 of them shot over into the center counter.
Because there's like pressure in the RV? Like why?
So.
You just bought them.
But yes, but I've used them numerous times and that has never happened. I've always, you have to, you know, push the spoon on the seam really hard. I was taking the paper off and they exploded. It like smacked my wrist and everything.
Wow.
But I've always been scared of these things. Kim's always made fun of me.
I always open them for you.
Me. I've gotten better at it lately, but that's why this exploded. Anyway, okay.
I'm glad you're okay.
Thank you. On my birthday.
It was a confetti. Biscuit explosion.
Biscuit explosion.
Biscuits are celebrating my birthday.
I just showed them the baby birds.
Oh my god, aren't they stinking cute?
They're so cute.
Alright, so what I'm going to attempt to do is to cook these canned biscuits on the Blackstone. So I have like a iron or metal cookie cooling rack. I'm going to go ahead and put that. The grill's already hot because I was cooking the bacon.
Okie
And then
dokie.
we're going to take our little hood and put that on top. I'm going to do that for a few minutes.
Flip them.
Flip them over and we'll see what happens. I
Okay,
have 4
so
more
this is like
that didn't explode all over the kitchen in case we need to just cook them in the air fryer.
okay.
So I just flipped them.
They're looking fun.
I mean, they have the little grate marks on them, which I think might be even more fun. I don't know.
Yeah.
Give a little crisp.
You definitely need some more cooking.
But I've
for
turned them a couple times. So just in my experience on the medium high that I have it, with this small lid. This isn't even made for Blackstone, but it was $10 at Walmart. So this is what my trusty tools I'm using. So I'm sure if you actually had a hood for your grill,
yeah, we don't have a hood,
the proper topper, it'd probably work a little better. So I've just been flipping it every couple minutes just so we're not burning anything.
We put out our canopy tent because it's so hot.
It is so
80
hot.
degrees.
Like, it's crazy that we were in 30-degree weather 2 days ago, and now I'm like, Christina literally brought Florida with her. It's crazy.
Yeah. Cheers.
Helping. Right, Christina?
Yep.
Champagne.
Woo, let's get a refill, baby. All right, I just pulled the biscuits off. Still got my bacon grease going on our Blackstone. So now I'm gonna add the mushrooms. I just diced up some white mushrooms.
We're having omelets.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then I had a little bit of green bell pepper left over. So I'm just gonna cook a little bit of that too.
You're keeping that
bacon grease, baby.
You're keeping that separate, right?
For the most part.
Okay. Erin, you outdid yourself.
I made a mess already.
You outdid yourself. What you got? Avocado, biscuits, and gravy. This omelet with
cheese, mushrooms, green pepper, and tomatoes.
Bacon, sausage. We're gonna be in a coma after this.
Yep.
Enjoy.
I will.
Enjoy your birthday breakfast. Happy birthday. We got breakfast with a view.
Heck yeah. Sitting on the wrong side, you see them?
What you think of your breakfast?
So good.
The biscuits came out so good.
They really did.
So how long do you think they cooked on there overall?
Like 10, 12 minutes.
Like, it's a while. So you're using a lot of propane to do that. It was better to just cook it inside, right?
Well, if you know what you're doing, I mean, maybe you could do it.
They're really good though.
Next time I
they
would probably...
came out excellent.
Yeah, because they're like crunchy on the outside, but still really soft on the inside. They're holding up well to the gravy, and they do kind of have a little bit of a, like a smoky flavor.
Yeah, so do the eggs.
Yeah. Cooking outside and on any kind of heat is amazing.
It's really good.
Hey everybody! I'm in control of the camera now. My arms are short, so I'm trying to do the best that I can. But we enjoyed breakfast, right, ladies?
Yes.
It was delicious.
You did good.
It was actually really good. That's the thing, like I prefer my own cooking, but it is nice to have meals cooked for you. So I do enjoy eating out as well, obviously. Breakfast was great. We're heading out to start the rest of my birthday festivities. So stay tuned.
Moonshine.
Moonshine!
So we're gonna bring you along with us here at Tennessee Shine in Weir's Valley. We might bring you along a little bit more the rest of the day, not really sure because it's my birthday. We're gonna get into it, but we do appreciate you just checking out this video. We're gonna bring you inside to have some fun and we'll see what happens.
Let's do some shots.
Shot.
Free shots.
Shot.
Shots. Erin had some champagne today.
As you saw.
As you should.
Our bartender's name is Brittany. She gonna take good care of us.
All right, y'all. This is our Choco Moo. It's gonna remind you just like a Wendy's Frosty.
Heck yeah. We may or may have not been here before.
Hey, that's all right. We love it when people come back.
We're repeat customers.
We're looking for Bubba.
I think he's off today.
Somebody posted earlier that he was in Gatlinburg.
He might be.
We're probably gonna end up there, so.
This is a Choco Moonshine. Tastes like a Wendy's Frosty.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers, Erin. Happy birthday. It's good.
It literally tastes like a Wendy's Frosty. They can catch a little buzz. That's the best thing ever.
So
It
good.
is super good.
Ever.
I'm doing espresso, and they're doing some more
S'mores.
espresso whiskey.
Cheers. Love it.
That's good. These are 60 proof.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Tennessee Shine don't play. They don't play.
All right, next up we're doing the Bloody Mary mix with the jalapeno cornbread moonshine.
And a little pickle
Juice.
Toppers.
Top it off with pickle.
Delicious. They have the best pickle juice here ever.
It's so good. If you love Bloody Marys, this is delicious.
Even if you don't like Bloody Marys. This girl here
That's
is
true.
never seen her drink a Bloody Mary until we started coming to Tennessee Shine.
True story.
Y'all, I have a little.
Thanks, Brittany. You're
You're
pretty
welcome.
amazing. Alright.
I'm doing Dewdrop with Christina. This
Dewdrop?
is a 50 proof. It tastes like Mountain Dew without the carbonation.
And I did the deep blue margarita with a splash of the dew. I was going for like a Baja Blast or something. I don't know. We'll see what happens.
That's good.
That was good.
She shook.
She shook.
She came on to something there.
For real, because it kind of, I don't know, it kind of like mellows each other out, but it's not too sweet. I'm into that. Okay, all right.
There's a little shamrock shot with the key lime cream moonshine and the coconut rum. I'm excited.
Cheers, since we couldn't be together on St. Patrick's Day.
Cheers. Same time as Day Part 2.
That's nice. That's so good. That's good. I
love it when you taste it. Like
I don't think we have not tried that combination before.
So it's a key lime cream motionshine mixed with coconut rum.
Their coconut rum. That
So
was really good.
Thank you.
I'm gonna buy that now.
What other surprises you got?
Maybe we will.
So
Maybe
we're
we
just
will.
fans of coffee. You guys drink coffee in the morning?
Sure. Yeah.
Let me make you a Brittany latte.
Okay.
Brittany latte.
Brittany latte.
Heck yeah, we're getting a Brittany latte.
Oh, tell me
Okay.
this one.
Alright, what's in it?
This one's got our espresso whiskey. And we're gonna top it off with our dream cream.
Espresso whiskey with the dream cream.
That sounds phenomenal.
That sounds
Best way to start your day.
good.
Perfect before work.
Good thing we're not going to work today. Hey, we're working right
We are
now.
off. No, we are off.
We work every day.
Well, Kim's gonna be editing some videos, so she's still working, but I'm off. It's my birthday.
Alright. Cheers.
I'm excited about this.
Delicious.
That would be a great breakfast.
So Erin is getting a special birthday shot.
Right.
It's distilled 21 times.
20.
It's the best vodka that will probably ever pass your lips.
I'm sold.
It's better than Grey Goose, certainly better than Sky. You tell me what you think. You have drank vodka before.
Of course.
Straight. You tell me what you
So I'm
think.
gonna start off with this. Go into it. Ready? Just straight vodka.
Straight vodka. Oh boy, happy birthday.
Told you.
How is it?
Did you see a reaction?
No reaction. That means it's good?
Wow, I taste like the corn at the end.
Yep.
Like very, very mild. Like
It's the smoothest vodka I've ever
I
Very
100%
smooth?
agree. A million percent
I
agree.
always push this because everybody comes in for moonshine and all that.
Wow.
And I knew you did the moonshine.
Yeah.
So that's why I wanted to give you a shot.
Oh.
Because that's good vodka.
Wow.
Thank you. Alright, Erin, did you enjoy your tasting at Tennessee Shine?
I sure did. Great way to start off my birthday festivities.
And a lot of people bought you some drinks on our Buy Me a Coffee page.
Yes.
So thank you all for buying Erin a drink today for her birthday.
I so much appreciate it. It means so much. Like honestly, like it just like warms my heart that you want to help me enjoy my birthday today. We enjoy all of our subscribers. Like we're here for you. So we honestly thank you so much. Breakfast was great. Tasting was great. We're gonna move on and have a great day. Maybe Kim will add in some of the festivities that we get into, just a couple clips after this. I don't really know what we're gonna do. But again, I appreciate all of you hanging out with me today.
And if you guys ever want to support us, we put our Buy Me a Coffee page in every description of the video. So if you want to support us, that's the best way that you can.
So basically it's just a website where you can donate $5 or plus, whatever you want to do. And it's just, they take a very minimal percentage. Buy Me a Coffee takes a very minimal percentage for that service. So we get most of the money. So if you would ever like to contribute monetarily to our channel, that's a great resource to do that. We appreciate all of you and have a great weekend. And
Happy birthday, Erin. I
Thank
love you
you.
so much. I'm so blessed to have you
I
as
love
my
you too,
BFF.
sister from a different mister.
Alright guys,
You're the
have a good
best.
one.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye y'all.